We are straying from a dot particle conception. The basis is that elementary particles are not punctual, but they are composed of lowercase of strings that vibrate, and the different modes of vibration give rise to the non-particles and properties. Yes, we are talking about string theory. It is classified into whether or not it is necessary for the string to be closed loops and if the particles include fermions. In this order of ideas, the electron is not anymore a point of a zero dimension. It is actually a mass of strings that vibrate in a space-time of more than 4 dimensions.
The length of a string would be 10 to the minus 35. I know, if we could grab an atom and puff it up to the size of the solar system, the string would be a tree.
Going back to a theory classification, we found there is one that includes fermions. To make it possible, is necessary a special kind of symmetry called supersymmetry. Simple supersymmetry relates particles that transmit force, bosons, to particles that transmit the matter and make up the fermions.
Now, it is possible to fit superstring theory. Till the moment, there are 5 superstring theories. These theories are related by the transformation called duality. Strings can obscure the difference between large, small, strong, and weak, and this is how they end up being related. One theory can be transformed in some way that it ends up being just like the second theory. Then they say to be dual one to another.
Duality comes about from the compactification of extra space dimensions. For example, we will grab a dimension and make it a circle. A string, in addition to traveling around the circle, will grab around it. The number of times the string winds around the circle is called the winding number, and it is also quantified. Exchanging the winding number and dimension of the strings will exchange a large-scale distance with a small-scale distance. Duality relates type 2b with type 2a. That means that if you put them both in a circle and then switching the distance scale between them, you will find that one theory becomes into another, and the same will happen for the two heterotic theories.
Coupling constant tells us how strong an interaction is. A longer coupling constant means a stronger force, and so on. In string theory, coupling number depends on a different oscillation modes of a string called dilation. This theory is called S-duality. When you relate two theories with this symmetry, means that one theory with a strong coupling constant is the same as the other theory with a weak coupling constant. That means that if you are able to understand the weak theory, you are going to be able also to understand the strong one. It's an universal theory that unifies all the strings theories. Till the moment, there has been identified 11 dimensions. The end of this theory is to unify all the forces, thing that has been impossible for the standard model. Why don't you open your eyes to small things to see parallel universe? With this theory, maybe you can just escape from this reality to another one, to one universe to another one.